Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is The Farmer and His Sons. Today's lecture 5, this is the lesson plan, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver this lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today's lecture 5, we will read and understand the text and we'll cover page number 14, 15 and 17 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have taught you this lesson, Unit 4, in which we use pre-reading strategies. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. Today, we'll continue this concept and we'll cover the SLO. Use critical thinking to respond to the text post-reading. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Isra, verse 24, and lower unto them the wing of submission and humility through mercy, and say, my Lord, bestow on them your mercy, as they did bring me up when I was small. Yes, my dear children, lower unto them, whom? To your parents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning in Quran, Allah is saying to you, be submissive, be humble to your parents and make this dua for them every time. Ask Allah, oh my Rabb, oh my Lord, show mercy to my parents as they did take care of me when I was small, when I was not able to do something. So this is how important our parents are for us, because they have been mentioned in Quran so many times. This is what we are going to learn from this story. And I start with a question on page number 14 of your book. Do you respect your elders? Yes, my dear children, do you respect your elders? I want the answer of every one of you should be, yes, I do. Because this is, my dear, this is not optional. We are supposed to, this is our duty to be respectful to our elders. Now, I suggest teachers kindly pause the video and take the response of the students. How do they show this respect? They have to be respectful to their elders, but how do they do it? Let's listen from them. Pause the video and take the answer of this question from all the students. Yes, my dear children, I hope you shared how do you show this respect to your parents, to your teachers, to your grandparents and all the elders around you. Did you do it? Good job. So let's start reading the text. Open your book on page number 15. I'm going to read it, and what we will do, our focus is we'll have to analyze this story critically. And how do we do it? What's happening? What might be happening after? What is the reason of happening this, and how it could have happened in a better way? This is how we'll analyze, we'll read, and parallel to that, we'll keep on analyzing critically the text, right? So, are you ready for reading? Page number 15. Once there lived a farmer who had 2 sons. The elder son was a great help to his father. Great help means he was helpful. He was always obedient to his father. But the younger one was lazy. And what does lazy mean? Unwilling to do work. He was not a willing worker. He was lazy. The elder brother always took care of his younger brother. You see the responsibility of elder brother? But the younger brother, the younger one, did not like working on the farm because they were farmer, they were supposed to work on farm, but he did not like to work on farm. He asked his father for his share of the farm. He said, I don't want to work, so give my money. I don't want to work too on the farm. The elder brother forbade him. What does forbade mean? Stopped him. He said, don't do this. To do so. But he did not listen to him. Means he did not follow him. He said, no, I will do what I said. He sold his share of the farm and left the village. You see, he sold his share of the land and left the village. Now, what might happen? There can be two options. Either after leaving village, he might be happy or he might not be. So, let's see what's going to happen. The younger son enjoyed himself by hosting parties for his friends. So, he had parties, he called, host means he called his friends at his place and he said, let's have party, and he enjoyed himself. He had good time with his friends. After a few days, he ran out of money. Now he was left with no money. He was empty-handed now. Seeing his financial state, financial means his monetary state, when he was not having money, his friends left him. They said, now you are of no work for us because you cannot throw a party for us, we are leaving. He remembered, he recalled, he thought of how kind his brother and father had been to him. Now he thought, oh, they were always taking care of me, and wished he had not left home. Now he realized like leaving home was a big mistake. So he decided to return home and ask for forgiveness. Now he realized his mistake. He thought, I should go back home and I should ask for forgiveness. He did not know that his father missed him and wished he would come back. Now, my dear children, you see what the son is doing, and on the other hand, what is going on with father. Like the son is throwing party for friends, he is enjoying himself, and when he is left with no money, everyone left him. What happened? Now he thought of his family. And on the other side, father is missing his son. Oh my God, my dear son is not around me. So this is telling us how important our family is for us. So why do you think we should value our family? Why do you think? First, should we value our family? Yes, of course, they are our near and dear one. So why should we do this? Pause the video and tell the answer to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you have mentioned many reasons to value the family. Now, what happened next? The son fell on his knees, filled with regret. What does regret mean? The feeling of sadness and sorrow. Like he was feeling sad why I did that. When he saw his father, the father hugged him and then dressed him in fine clothes. The younger son promised his father and his brother that he would work hard on the farm. Now he realized, this is my work, so I should go and work hard on the farm. He finally learned to respect his family and his elders. Respect means to have regard. So he finally realized it, that I should respect my family and I should regard my elders. I should listen to them. All right. So what we learned from this story, what is the moral, what is the lesson? Always make your family your priority. They should be on the top of the list. Respect and obey them as it is your duty. To, as I told you in the beginning of the lesson, to respect our elders is our duty. It's not optional. Beta, it's a must. Because why? Because tomorrow when we will be grown up, we will be elder, our younger will respect us the way they have seen us respecting our elders. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. Now where we conclude, all of you, what does this lesson teach us? There are many lessons. Pause the video and tell to your teacher what you learned from this story. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you have mentioned many things what we have learned from this lesson, and it's time for the exercise. All of you open page number 16. These are the blanks. These statements has been taken from your text. You will read the statement and write the correct word to complete the sentence. Okay, so now I will find how keenly you have listened and read the lesson. Now pause the video and complete these sentences. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now, the next exercise is on page number 17, the next page of your book. What you will do, read this statement and mark the right answer from the given choices. This statement is there and there are 4 answers, but 1 is correct. So read it. How many sons did the farmer have? 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the correct answer? 2. So you will mark it. Likewise, the younger son of the farmer asked his father for his house, car, horse, or shear. What is the right option? Shear. So in this way, you will keep reading the sentence and mark the correct answer. So again, pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. What you are supposed to do, read the lesson again at home. You will read it and write 10 verbs in your notebook. From your lesson, you will write 10 verbs in your notebook. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children. And my dear students, this activity is critical thinking activity. Inshallah, it will help you. You will read it, what is day to day, what was yesterday, what is tomorrow. In this way, you will learn how to think critically in order. So what we have learned today, we learned to read and understand the text, and we learned to respond to the text after reading through critical thinking. So this is how we achieved our SLO, to use critical thinking to respond to the text post reading. Are we done with it? Yes. Good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.